guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way you can achieve box braids, no rubber bands. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Guys, my hair is already washed. You can see the shrinkage is real, but we're gonna get this hair all the way together. Anyway, so I'm going to be using my water bottle, my rat tail comb, my shine and jam, my crochet needle, and my X-pression hair. I'm going to be using 2.5 packs for this look, sis. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my water bottle and spray all over my head, and then I'm going to take my Jamaican black castor oil just to make sure my hair is nice and moisturized. You know what it is by now. So I'm gonna be using this comb just to make sure everything is all situated. My hair is nice and combed out before I start braiding. As you guys can see, my hair has really shrunk, okay? Most of the time, I usually have it pre-stretched. You know, I have 2 strand twists. Even though shrinkage is real, I can show you guys how to tuck your hair in. You can use hair color. You can use whatever color you want when you're trying to get these braids all the way together, sis. Okay, so let's get into it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start sectioning my hair. So I'm going to be sectioning 1 box at a time and then braiding as I go along. I'm going to take my shine and jam and then apply it to the box exactly the way I'm doing. That way the lines look really nice and crisp, sis. Okay. So once I do that, I'm going to take my hair clips and make sure I secure the rest of the hair away. That way I'm just working with that 1 box. As you guys can see, I already pull out my baby hairs. That way, you know, we have to be looking cute at the end of this. Take a little bit more of the shine and jam and then apply it to my scalp or whatever. And then I will section my hair into 3 like I'm about to do a normal traditional braid, sis, okay? So I'm just gonna braid my hair, my natural hair, just exactly the way I'm doing. Make sure you're not braiding it too tight on the scalp because you want to make sure your crochet needle can go through as well as your braiding hair, sis. Okay, so that is all you're gonna do. Braid your natural hair all the way to the end. If your hair is really long, you can just braid it halfway or whatever. And then I'm going to start sectioning my hair. I'm going to section out a piece exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm going to section that piece into 2, a smaller piece and a bigger piece. That way, when I loop them around, I have 3 equal pieces like a traditional braid, sis. Okay? So I'm going to be using this crochet needle, you know, just a basic crochet needle. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to place it in, you know, that's why I was saying you better make sure your hair is not too tight on the bottom because you want to make sure your crochet needle goes all the way through. So this is the smaller piece and the bigger piece. So I'm going to be taking the smaller piece first, sis. What I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it on my finger exactly the way I'm doing. That way it is easier for me to place it on the crochet hook. So I'm going to place it on the crochet needle, close the hook, and then pull it out. And then once I pull it out, I'm going to pull 1 strand out exactly the way I'm doing, making sure both sides are nice and equal and it is actually not too tight on the bottom, sis. And then as you guys can see, my hair is already nice and hidden. The next step, you're going to take your braiding hair, the bigger piece of the braiding hair, and then you're just going to place it on the top right there and go round. Okay, so we're going to go round 1 time and then just start braiding down. So I have 3 equal pieces, guys. I'm going to start braiding down. As you guys can see, my natural hair is already nice and hidden. I don't even have to do too much tucking or anything like that. And once you see a little peekaboo right there of your natural hair, you can just pull the braid, you know, together, you know, just pull it down like that, exactly the way I'm doing, and then braid it all the way down, sis. Okay, so that is all you are going to do. This is easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. It took me about an hour and a half to do these braids right here. So, you know, if I can do it, you can do it too. I mean, it's going to take you longer. That's okay, sis. Let me know in the comments below if you think this is easy, sis, and if you're going to be trying this hairstyle right here. Because listen, I'm trying to give you all the easy styles, sis, because 2022, honey, we're about to look cute. We're about to look expensive while on a budget, sis, okay? And then once you get to the bottom, you're just gonna take a little piece at the end and then go around and tie this into a little knot. That way it does not unravel, even though you're gonna put them in hot water later, okay? Because you don't want to be working twice, sis. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you again, okay? Very, very easy. When I tell you these styles are easy, I mean they are easy peasy lemon squeezy. And this is for all my sisters who were asking me, Tupo, can you show us how to braid our hair from scratch? You know, what happens if I don't wanna, pre-stretch my hair overnight and my hair is short? I was like, sister, I'm going to show you, you can actually do whatever you want with your hair. You do not have to worry about it if your hair is short, sis, because I got you. I'm going to show you the ways, sis, okay? Anyway, so I'm going to take a little bit more of the shining gem and then apply it to my scalp or whatever. And then you're going to section your natural hair into 3 and then braid it all the way down. If your hair is long, you're just gonna braid it halfway, just enough that it does not unravel, sis, okay? That's all I'm trying to tell you right here. And then you're going to take your crochet needle, place it in, and then take your braiding hair. So you're taking the smaller piece of the braiding hair first, rolling it on your finger, and then placing it on the crochet needle, close the hook, and then pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're going to make sure it is nice and equal on both sides. So you're just gonna place the braiding hair on the top, the bigger piece of the braiding hair on the top, and then start going round once, okay? And then start braiding all the way down, sis. Exactly the way I'm saying, very, very easy. And then once you see a little peekaboo, you can just tuck your hair in or whatever. But otherwise, just braid it all the way down, sis. How easy is this tutorial, sis? Let me know in the comments below if you think this is easy, sis, and if you're going to be trying this hairstyle. When I tell you it is easy, it is beginner friendly, anybody can actually do this. I want to give you guys the styles that you guys can do by yourself at home. You can do them on your mama, you can do on your sister, you can do on your cousin. This year, we're about to be looking cute on a budget, okay? Once you braid it all the way down, you're just gonna take a little piece at the end and then tie a little knot. That way it does not unravel, sis. You're going to section your hair out and then take your shining gem just to make sure the line is really nice and clean or whatever. And then you're going to section your natural hair into 3 and then braid it all the way down, all the way to the end. If your hair is really long, you can just braid it halfway or whatever. And then you're going to take your crochet needle, place it in, and then take your braiding hair, placing it on the crochet needle, close the hook, and then pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're going to make sure it is nice and equal on both sides. So you're just gonna place the braiding hair on the top, the bigger piece of the braiding hair on the top, and then start going round once, okay? And then start braiding all the way down, sis. Exactly the way I'm saying, very, very easy. And then once you see a little peekaboo, you can just tuck your hair in or whatever. But otherwise, just braid it all the way down, sis. Today's shout out goes to my girl, Maureen Kavina. Hey, sis, I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. I really, really appreciate you. You are a real one today. Okay, sis. I'm just gonna pause this video real quick for you because you gotta make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well because this channel is getting way too juicy for you not to subscribe, sis, okay? And you better make sure you share these videos with your cousins, your besties, and your mamas because you want everybody to be looking cute. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you again, okay? Very, very easy. Take your shining gem just to make sure the line is really nice and clean or whatever. And then you're going to section your natural hair into 3 and then braid it all the way down. Just make sure you're not braiding way too tight because you wanna make sure your crochet needle can go through as well as your braiding hair, sis, okay? So I'm going to take my crochet needle, place it in, take the smaller piece of the braiding hair, place it on the crochet hook, close it, and then pull it out. Make sure the sides are nice and equal. And then I'm just going to take the bigger piece of the braiding hair, place it on the top, go around one time, and then start braiding down, sis. Exactly the way I'm saying. Very, very easy. And you know the color is coming all the way through. The color is popping. Oh, sis, I love me some 27. Okay. Let me know if you guys think this 27 is coming all the way through already or whatever. Once you braid it all the way down, you're just going to take a little piece at the end and then tie a little knot. That way it does not unravel, sis. my hot water and make sure I dip the ends. That way we seal them. That way they do not unravel. That way we're looking cute in the streets, okay? Make sure you're very, very careful when you're using this hot water. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna take my towel to dry everything out. And then I'm going to be using my Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil mixture to make sure my hair is nice and moisturized. My scalp is really nice and moisturized. And then I'm gonna take my mousse just to make sure everything is nice and situated. No flyaways over here, sis, okay? And then I'm gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure my baby hairs are nice and laid, sis. And you know I'm gonna use this brush that I got from where? From Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And then I'm going to be using my styling strips just to make sure everything is nice and situated. Baby, when I tell you, these braids came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am living for these braids right about now. Let me know if you guys are feeling these braids. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying them, because baby, I am feeling myself. Okay, Miss Tupo1 went from this right here to 100 over here, sis. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this technique right here, because sis, when I tell you this technique is easy, believe me, okay? And you know me, I gotta give you some styles here and there, baby. And look at this style is coming all the way through, honey. When I tell you, you can pull these braids up, you can pull them down, and they just be looking all the way cute. I added a little gold accessories here and there, and baby, I mean, these accessories are taking the hairstyle all the way boom, boom, boom to 100. Okay, let me know if you guys are feeling this. Let me know if you guys are loving the size of these braids, because I love me some big braids, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today, sis. Let's get to 500K, because baby, at this point, it is up from here. Guys, from the bottom of my heart, make sure you're sharing this video with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.